Hi, welcome to Kitchen Garden Therapy. So you have decided that you want to grow a garden, but where do you start? It may be overwhelming, so much information out there. Today I will share a few tips that I find important in the beginning of anyone's gardening journey. First thing you want to do is decide where will be your garden. Location is very important. Most plants need a sunny spot, at least 6 hours of sun per day. Of course, there are plants that can grow in partial shade or even in full shade, but I would not suggest you to start with those. Next step is to figure out what to grow. If you like to eat greens and herbs, it would be smart to grow them first because they grow so fast and easy. Grow what you like to eat. If you hate broccoli, obviously don't grow it. I love tomatoes, so I make sure to grow a lot of them every year. Also among my favorites are peppers, basil, carrots, kale, spinach, and many more. Analyze your grocery list and see what veggies and fruits you are buying on a regular basis and start with those. Also start small. You don't have to plant everything. Every next year, you'll have another opportunity to try some new things. So start slow and enjoy the process of gardening. It may be hard to wait for your plants to grow, so learn how to enjoy the process, not just the end result. Make your garden space welcoming, a place where you want to spend your time. Plant some flowers for the color therapy, and don't be afraid to fail. Look at your gardening as a school and learn new things as you go. Also, get yourself some books. They will teach you how to garden and also will motivate you. Some of my favorite gardening books are Gaia's Garden by Toby Hemingway. It's a book about permaculture. Perennial Vegetables by Eric Tonsmeyer. Another one is Year-Round Vegetable Gardener by Nikki Jabbour. And another one is Carrots Love Tomatoes by Louise Riot. Of course, I have many more books, but these are just a few of my favorites. Thank you for watching. Happy gardening!